Surface area and volume exercise 13.2 question number 4 and the question number 4 is a pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboids are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. See the following figure. Use pi is equal to 22/7. Student, in this question there is a cuboidal box. यहाँ पर एक क्या है? Cuboidal box है and it is made up of wood, जो कि किसका बना हुआ है? लकड़ी का बना हुआ है. यहाँ पर 4 conical depressions है, मीन्स कट्स हैं, जो कि पेन को क्या करते हैं? होल्ड करते हैं. एंड ईच ऑफ द कोन हैविंग अ रेडियस 0.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड कोन की जो रेडियस है वो कितनी है? 0.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड द हाइट इज इक्वल टू 1.4 सेंटीमीटर. और हाइट कितनी है? 1.4 सेंटीमीटर. द लेंथ ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड इज इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट इज इक्वल टू 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. So volume of wood equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 times volume of cone. So volume of cuboid L into B into H. So L into B into H minus 4 times volume of cone. Volume of cone कितना होता है? 1/3 pi r square H. So 1/3 pi r square H. Now length equal to 15, breadth is equal to 10, height equal to 3.5 minus 4/3, pi की वैल्यू 22/7, r square is 0.5 into 0.5 and height of the cone is equal to कितना? 1.4. Now 7 से 1.4 कट कर देंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 0.2. Now 15 into 10 into 3.5 कर देंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 525 minus 4/3 into 22 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.2 कर देंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 1.47. So 525 में से 1.47 माइनस कर देंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 523.53 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. So the volume of wooden part is equal to 523.53 centimeter cube and question number 4 is complete here. Surface area and volume exercise 13.2 question number 5 and the question number 5 is a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shot, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shot drop in the vessel. Student, in this question there is a conical inverted vessel. Now the height of the conical vessel is equal to 8 cm. Height कितनी दे रखी? 8 cm and the radius of conical vessel is equal to 5 cm. और radius कितनी प्रोवाइड की गई? 5 cm. So height of conical vessel equal to 8 and radius of conical vessel equal to 5 and it is also given here it is filled with water up to the brim. Means ये ऊपर तक पानी से भरा हुआ है. Now we keep the lead shot into it. हमने यहाँ पर कुछ lead shot डाल दी and 1/4 of the water is flow out. Means lead shot डालने पे 1/4 of water क्या हो जाता है? Vessel से बाहर आ जाता है. So assume that there are n numbers of lead shot. यहाँ पर number of lead shot हमने कितनी assume कर ली? n. Now volume of water flows out equal to volume of dropped lead shot. अब कितना पानी बाहर आता है? 1/4 volume of cone equal to n into volume of sphere. Because lead shot का shape कैसा है? Spherical. So n into volume of sphere. Now 1/4 volume of cone क्या होता है? 1/3 pi r square h. यहाँ पर radius of cone कितना ले लिया? r1 equal to n into 4/3 pi. Radius of sphere कितनी ले रखी है? r2 whole cube. Now pi से pi cancel, 3 से 3 cancel हो जाएगा, कितना आ जाएगा? 1/4 into r1 square h equal to n into 4 r2 cube. Now 1/4 radius of cone कितनी है? 5 into 5. Height of cone 8 equal to n into 4. Radius of lead shot कितनी है? 0.5 whole cube. So n equal to 25 into 8/4 into 4 into 0.5 whole cube. So simplify कर देंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 100. So there are 100 lead shot that keep into the vessel. हमने vessel में कितनी lead shot डाली? 100 lead shot डाली. So 1/4 of the water is flows out and question number 5 is complete here. Surface area and volume exercise 13.3 question number 6 and the question number 6 is a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. use pi is equal to 3.14. Student, look at this figure. Given that there is a larger cylinder and the smaller cylinder, and larger cylinder के ऊपर smaller cylinder को place कर दिया गया. Now height of larger cylinder given किया गया, height of larger cylinder is equal to 220 centimeter and the diameter of the larger cylinder is equal to 24. So the radius of larger cylinder is equal to 24 upon 2 equal to 12 centimeter. Now height of smaller cylinder की जो height है वो कितनी है 60 centimeter and the radius of smaller cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. यानी smaller cylinder की radius कितनी है 8 centimeter. Now total volume of cylinder equal to volume of larger cylinder plus volume of smaller cylinder. Now volume cylinder क्या होता है pi r square h. So it is equal to pi r1 square h1 plus pi r2 square into h2. Now pi is common here. कितना आ जाएगा r1 square h1 plus r2 square into h2. Now pi is equal to 3.14 r1 square. r1 की वैल्यू कितनी है 12 square into h1 is equal to कितना 220 plus r2 square कितना 8 square and height of the smaller cylinder equal to 60. So 3.14 within bracket 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. Now simplify कर देंगे कितना आ जाएगा 3.14 into 35,520. It is equal to 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. So total volume of cylinder equal to कितना आ गया 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. Now given that mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram. So mass of 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube is equal to 1,11,532.8 into 8 and it is equal to 8,92,262.4 gram and that is equal to 892.2624 kilogram. So the mass of 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube is equal to 89.2624 kilogram. And question number 6 is complete here. Surface area and volume exercise 13.2 question number 7 and the question number 7 is a solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. You can look at this figure and there is a cylinder. This is a cylinder and having a height 180 centimeter. इस cylinder की जो height है वो कितनी है 180 centimeter. Now place a solid. हमने एक solid इसके अंदर place कर दिया. A solid having a hemisphere and a conical section. This portion is a hemisphere and this is the conical portion. Hemispherical section की radius कितनी है 60 centimeter. Similarly, the radius of conical section is also 60 centimeter. The height of conical section equal to कितना है 120 centimeter. Now, radius r of hemispherical part equal to radius r of conical part. हमने मेंशन कर दिया and it is equal to 60 centimeter. Similarly, height of conical part equal to 120. Height of cylindrical part equal to 180. Now radius of cylindrical part equal to 60 centimeter. According to question, cylinder is full of water. यानी cylinder किससे भरा हुआ है पानी से भरा हुआ है. Now we place a solid into it. हमने एक solid इसके अंदर place कर दिया. So some water is flows out. Now water left out या volume of water left out equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So volume of cylinder कितना होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर है. यहाँ पर height of cylinder कितनी है h1 minus. Now volume of solid. अब solid is in the shape of hemisphere and cone. मेंशन कर देंगे volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. पाई आर स्क्वायर h1 minus volume of cone. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन कितना होता है 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. हाइट ऑफ कोन कितनी एज्यूम की h2 प्लस ना वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इट इज 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सो पाई आर स्क्वायर इज कॉमन हियर. वी गेट दैट h1 माइनस विद इन ब्रैकेट 1/3 h2 प्लस 2/3. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. पाई इज इक्वल टू 22/7. आर स्क्वायर इज 60 स्क्वायर. h1 इज 180 minus 1/3. h2 is 120 plus 2 upon 3. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 60. Now bracket close. 3 से 120 डिवाइड कर देंगे कितना आएगा 40. यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा 20. So 22 upon 7 into 3600 within bracket 180 minus 40 plus 40. So we get that 22 upon 7 into 3600 into 180 minus 80. So we get here 22 upon 7 into 3600 into 180 में से 80 माइनस कर दीजिए कितना आ जाएगा 100. नाउ कैलकुलेट कर देंगे कितना आ जाएगा 11,31,428.57 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अगर हम इसे मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं तो कितना आ जाएगा 1.131 मीटर क्यूब. So volume of water left out into a cylinder is equal to कितना आ जाएगा 1.131 मीटर क्यूब. And question number 7 is complete here. Surface area and volume exercise 13.2 question number 8. And the question number 8 is a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether C is correct, taking the above as the inside measurement and pi is equal to 3.14. Students, look at this figure. This is the spherical vessel. ये क्या है spherical vessel है in which this portion is a sphere and this is the cylindrical neck. Given that height of cylindrical part equal to 8 cm. Cylindrical part की जो height है वो कितनी है 8 cm and the radius of cylindrical part equal to 1 cm. Similarly, radius of spherical part कितना है 4.25 cm. Because given किया गया था diameter of spherical part equal to 8.5 cm. डायमीटर में 2 का डिवाइड कर देंगे कितना आ जाएगा 4.25 सेंटीमीटर. हमें चेक करना है कि वेसल 345 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वाटर होल्ड करेगा या फिर नहीं करेगा. सो चेक आउट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वेसल इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर कितना होता है 4/3 पाई. यहाँ पर रेडियस कितनी ले रखी है r1 क्यूब. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर कितना हो जाएगा पाई r2 स्क्वायर h. नाउ pi is common here 4/3 r1 cube plus r2 square into h. Pi into 4/3 r1 की वैल्यू कितनी है 4.25 होल क्यूब प्लस r2 की वैल्यू 1 स्क्वायर एंड h इक्वल टू कितना 8. नाउ pi की वैल्यू 3.14 विद इन ब्रैकेट 4/3 इंटू 4.25 होल क्यूब प्लस 1 स्क्वायर इंटू 8 कितना आ जाएगा 8. इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे कितना आ जाएगा 346.512 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और 346.51 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इट डजंट इक्वल टू 345. इट मीन्स शी इज रॉन्ग एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज कंप्लीट हियर.